Hi everybody, and welcome to 3Dsurvey tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Draw Circles tool, found under CAD functions. This tool is used for categorizing different circular things. To use it, we must first click CAD in the upper right selection menu. Next, we click Draw Circles tool icon, which is placed last on the right menu. To use the tool, we must first decide where we want the center point and one of the points on the circle to be snapped on. We have a couple of options, all located in the snapper settings on the right. The first one is point. To use it, we must have our point cloud activated in the back so we can snap the points to any point in the point cloud. The second option is endpoint, where our center point will snap on any endpoint of an already existing line. The third option is midpoint, where our center point will snap on any midpoint of an already existing line. The fourth option is called nearest, where our center point will snap on any point on the already existing line. The fifth option is called center, where our center point will snap onto a center of an already existing circle. When you are using the second, the third, the fourth or the fifth option, you might have to use a combination of options, because you're not only snapping your center point but also a point on the circle. In my case, I was using point, so my point on circle could snap on any point on the point cloud. The last option is called triangle, where our center point will snap on any point on the surface of our 3D mesh, but we must first make sure to have our 3D mesh activated in the back or the function won't work. We can have more than one of these options turned on, but if we know exactly where we want our center point to be, it might be easier to only choose the one we need. Okay, now let's draw some circles. To do it, we use the left mouse button to place our center point, and then we decide how long the radius will be, also confirming it with a left mouse click. When we are done drawing our circles, we press the escape button on the keyboard. If the height of the center point is wrong, we can check the desired height with the Draw Points tool by clicking it and selecting Height. When we place the point, our height will be displayed. After that, we can easily edit the height of the circle with the Edit tool by putting in the right coordinate z value. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.